What's the word, trader? Yeah, I'm good. I just got back from vacation. No, I'm on a live account. What's the word, Vaughn? I'm gonna start a combine again soon. Dang. Yeah. Mm-mm. I'm on Nas right now, but I'm kind of just marking up. But I'm trading Nas and gold. I'll trade some GBP, USD. Yeah. I traded a little Bitcoin, but I'm not trading that no more, bro. Alright, I think that's all I needed to do right here. Mm-mm. I think I like this. I think I like this. I think I. What's up, Green? Yeah, that was the volume profile. Mm-mm-mm. Alright, I'm just trying to see what I see. Trying to see like if I see any just like AMD setup, kind of like what I have marked out here. It's accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So that's kind of what I'm just looking for. Here we go. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Distribution. Yeah. Here we go. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yeah. I'm gonna check my higher time frame too. Yeah. Cause we got equal highs and equal lows here. Yeah. This wick right here. I'm not really seeing anything as far as like session AMD at all. So with that, then I'll just be marking out my order blocks and fair value gaps, then running my fib. At least just knowing the session, at least just knowing like what phase we're in helps. But we just closed out this 50%. Looks like we're headed to 23,624. 23,624. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna come back to that because maybe I'll see something a little bit later. But let's just mark out our stuff. How do you use volume profile? You could usually just use it just to see like your volume area high, your volume area low, your porter control to try to. You can kind of just map out kind of just where all the most trades have been filled out within a certain session or certain time frame. But I mark out low volume nodes. So that'll just be something that you look into. And I kind of just mark out low volume nodes as a way to it's kind of like Quarters theory in a way. It kind of just gives you an idea of just price action, price movement between I kind of use them as like supply and demand zone, but just how price action moves and retraces back to like certain volume places or for certain ticks or volume places or etc. But yeah, I kind of just use them like a supply and demand zone in a way. I haven't marked the higher time frame in a minute, so I'm gonna do like a top down analysis because I haven't done one since I've been gone. So I'm just gonna do a full top down analysis and just go from there. I think I let it. I'm not necessarily just started, Alan, but yeah, I just started making profits, so that's the blessing. I think I let this out. I think I let this out. I can still see Nas expanding up a little bit higher. I do see a deeper pullback, but it's about just timing it. Like, okay. Of course, they call me right when I go live. Give me a second. I'm gonna go mute right quick. Give me a second. What's the word? Juice. Long? No, I'm not long right now, but I could still see Nas expanding up more though. I'm not playing Nas right now. My trade was his Nas short earlier, but I got wiped out of it earlier. Right here. I was taking this short here. I was trying to take this short from up here down to 25 because that was that quarter 23,500. And just so y'all can see how I play, how I play quarter theory as well. I just don't see it. Yep. Go up, go down, go up, go up. Which one was that one? Yep, down to 23,500. And that's also, you just matching that up with a quarter theory, and you're also matching up with a FEG as that take profit. But I got wiped out earlier with this. Boom. This little wick that wicked up. I had my stop loss right above these highs here. It wicked up, wicked me out, then it ran down. So, but I do see Nas pulling back up. Yeah, pulling back up into this range here. Yeah. See Nas pulling back up into here. I also say that because I also see like I see my gold like still shorting. Like I see gold still shorting. We found some support on this 350, but I still see gold shorting. Go up, go up, go up, go down. Yeah, we just closed out. And we're closing out this 200 on this moving average. Above this 200. Oh, I need to get back into like really doing my top down analysis because I was just thinking about that, man. I need to get back into fully marking out my stuff because that's how I'm gonna start losing, like getting too careless. Right now. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna get a. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna get a paycheck. I think I just got some mystery bread that just came in. I didn't even know I was about to get that shit. We took this high. Yeah. Oh, let's see. This session low. We already took that low. Yeah, I think we're moving back higher in the Nas. Yeah. On this session low. New York session low. We took this low. Oop, took these lows. Came back down into this low volume. We're closing out above. Yeah, bro. What's the word, Dave? Yeah, I'm on a live account. Let me get back into my combine. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a live. I'm on a live account right now. I'm gonna be doing both. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it longing, bro. I'm on Nas. I'm working up Nas right now. What's the word, Dylan? What's the word? Yeah, man. I might take a nice loan. I ain't gonna fake it. Yeah, bro. I think I'm gonna take a nice loan. I'm gonna keep marking up though. Keep marking up. Keep double checking. Here, I need to mark this up right quick. I need to mark up some gold. We still got these. Nas still has these equal lows right here that we know is going to come back and attack. But I can see it moving back up, displacing back up, then displacing back lower to take out these equal lows. Like I can still see it. Yeah. Yeah. I can still see this expanding higher than breaking back down. Anything above here? I don't like that. You making a seafood boil? That sounds good. I go fake it, bro. I'm on Nas right now. Here, this might help. There you go. Yeah, I could see this expanding up. Yeah, bro. It's on his order block here. Yeah. All right. It's this shit. I ain't gonna fake it. I still see Nas expanding up higher before it drops back down because I still see gold shorting. I'm about to look at gold in a second too, but I still see Nas expanding. Yeah, yeah, bro. Like a show. That shit. Hold on. I need to look at gold, bro. This is gold I'm looking at now. Hold up. Freaky asshole. Only down the pole. What he say? Go. No, that's not his song. Yeah, this shit going short. I see gold still going short, and I still see Nas going long. I'm getting in there, bro. Yeah, I'm in there. Nothing on you. Freaky asshole. Jump it down the pole. Ready, set, go. Alright. I just had to put that trade in. What's the word, Jay? What's that word? On me, we back. Yeah, that's why I still see on Nas. I still see Nas expanding. I think we above this 50%. Bro, where's my 23,500, bro? Cook up at this hoe. I think I like this bitch. I think I like this hoe. I think I like this bitch. Yeah. We close out above this, nigga. We going up, bro. Yeah. It's gonna tell me everything I need to know. Some bitch, did you go? That shit can come back down and retest here. Here. It can come back down and retest here. They can either do that or respect this 50% of this quarter, which is doing now. It's respecting this 50% of this quarter. Alright. I gotta look at gold. Of course, gold just expanding. Yeah, I use standard deviation, but I don't know. Maybe I look at it a little differently, maybe, but yeah. Alright, gold. Alright, let's see what the hell you got going on. This gold be a pain, bro. Money so. Money so. I get in that shit again, bro. I still see gold selling. We showed teeter-totting right here in this quarter. Still creating lower lows. Just create these equal lows. We're below the 200. Still standing above. Literally, we're just consolidating. I still think it manipulates lower. Yeah, I still think it goes down to this 325 or this 250. Got all these lows. This gold beast. This gold be annoying sometimes, bro. Yeah, I still see gold dropping. Yeah, it's not there yet. Started falling down. We came into this daily FVG. I still like. I could be wrong, like, but I still see it pulling back down lower. Yeah, I still see gold. I still see gold pulling back down. I summoned to pick the Yeah. I need to come back down to 351. Yeah, I need gold to close out below this 351. You can then you don't eat. If you don't work, then you don't eat. Yeah, I entered the sale right up here. I entered the sale right up here. Yeah. I got another sale limit at 349. I still see gold dropping. Alright, somebody. I'm currently on a 30-minute, but I was just on a 4-hour. Why don't you use cross EMA indicator? I don't know. wick higher first, possibly. I still see it though. I still see it pulling deeper. It's the same thing with Nas. I still see Nas expanding higher. But that's what I'm trying to see what I see in this session. Cause my problem is like I'll like guess like the overall bias, but I'll be early on it. So it's like I could possibly get wiped out of my play early because I'd be too early on the play. Take a look at the record. Ice on my nigga G's, they're like a pair of G's. Yeah. This gonna tell us if Nas. I still see Nas longing. That's just dope. Break up a record. If you don't work, then you don't eat. If you don't work, then you don't eat. I would really want Nas. Even this 30-minute to close at the 63, 563. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Yeah, I see this shit still longer. I'm about to look at GBP too. Bro, I tried to trade. I traded a little Bitcoin. Do not like it, bro. Absolutely no thank you, brother. No thank you, brother. I don't like this color. I'm trying to get something. I could get something. Where can you consider it all? I don't know. I don't like this. That's a little bit better. I'm switching between a couple pairs. So I'm on Nas right now. What y'all talking? Yep. Come on now, go. Do not fail me. Yep. I like that entry on there too. Let's let's relook at our Nas because Nas trying to play like a little how. I still see Nas expanding up, bro. Oh, that 30 minutes just closed. Dang. Closed out of. I guess it closed out above this order block. But I would still want to see on this. I would still want to see on this higher time frame price close above is 563. It's holding up, but I would still want to see it go. I somebody nigga these seven like up images. The head to toe. Break out the record. Yeah. If you don't work, then you don't eat. If you don't work, then you don't eat. Somebody like a bird. Break up the record. Break up the record. I summon sounded like a pirate. Oh dang. Alrighty. Since I'm already in these plays now, these just be the plays I just let sit now. I want some my own. So nigga, I don't know. Yeah, nah. Got these equal highs right here. That shit might come and just attack these highs. Them equal highs. know, some I know, not something I don't know. Hell no. Right about. I thought. Green Goblin. If I went okay. Yeah. I'm still playing this short. I am still playing this gold short. I'll most definitely just be watching it, trying to see what it wants to do. But that's how I'm playing it. Yeah, I'm trading Nolan. It's a bigger short. Yeah. I'll say Nick, like a breaker structure and a body close above. Not just a wick, but yeah, a body close above. Yeah. Yeah, I just started making profit off my live account. I turned $50 into 500 plus now in about 2 weeks. What's up, Lewis? You long? Yeah. What you looking at? You looking at Nasdaq, or you looking at? You got to be looking at Nasdaq. But yeah, you can trade. Looking at gold. Yeah, you can trade any session you want. I mean, you don't have to believe me, Nolan. I mean, I go live and show my trades in my Discord. The people who talk to me, they know shit. He said, "How did I do it? By luck." Having a strategy. You looking at gold. You gotta have a strategy. You're not gonna win every trade, but at least gotta have a decent enough risk to reward management. And having a good strategy. Oh, let me go to gold right quick. See what you're talking about. You long 400 since 400. You mean you've been short? You've been short since 400? Since 400. Unless you talking about 3,000 and 400 or yeah. My strategy is a mix of ICT, fib levels, volume profile, order flow. Just a mix. I like to use AMD too. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And I like to use that to just tell me what market session that we're in, depending on what I'm trading. What's up, Elaine? Yeah. I would still be expecting gold to pull back to have some resistance back door. Dun, dun, dun. It's like, yeah, I can draw my fib here, but this is already completed. We already took this high, completed at the zero. Right now. I can still, like, if it was still creating that lower high, like we were, even if it still went up and we wanted to create that lower high, I would still see it going to like the 609 to 656. Supporter really had a lot of orders on this 23,500. I mean, you really wouldn't know what we literally just rejecting off this 50% between these quarter points. Hold on. Yeah, I'm still looking for that. I'm still looking for it to displace back higher. We took out them lows. Yeah, we took out that Asia session low. No, I mean that New York session low. Rejected off the 23,500. I still will be looking for a pullback back up. I mean, you already up. Good stuff. Good stuff, Jay. What's the word, JB? I mean, I did just get back too, JB. Too. I ain't been here. I ain't been on in like a week. So, thousands times all the line. Right outside. pull up anymore. 365. Yeah, can most definitely be wrong, but I still see these plays. I still see gold pulling back more. Like, I still see gold pulling back more. Like, I keep rerunning my levels just to see if I see something different, but like, I'm trying to see if there's anything really that stands out that can be. The only thing that would really be like, okay, the loan would be this rejection off this quarter. But even then, I don't see us. I don't this. I don't see us pulling all the way back up to the up here to 34. That 6-1, the 618 is right next to that 3-3-7-5. I'm not. Yeah, I use it on higher time frame. Oh, those are just my session. It just helps me see my. It just helps me see my sessions, like Asia session, London session. It helps me just look at my AMD. But yeah, we already in some live trades on the live account, so we just letting them sit. But I just keep rewatching and like keep running levels and keep looking just to see like, okay, like, do I see anything different? So that's what I'm looking at. I mean, three trades currently. Oh, I didn't even look at GBP. I'm already in some mood sense. I'm just rewatching. But yeah. Oh, I keep forgetting to look at GBP, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break from looking at those golden eyes, and I'm gonna come back to that. I'm gonna come back to it because I don't see anything different that can like that's like really like swim like that's really making me feel like okay I should get out of my trades or like okay yeah go and take profit get out the trade or no just go and let them just sit and just let them do what they do for the week because I'm not seeing anything that's really like throwing me off or I'm still seeing the same setups I was seeing. Really check the right out the 70, right out the 50. High lows, high low. Risk rating high lows. Okay, we took this low out. This plays lower. Now we're creating lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, Still in that short. You look at the sun and the sun. Good thing that you came wrong. Good thing that you couldn't decide. You can mark out these previous day highs and lows. And this is how I use my sessions too. I know somebody asked. We literally just been consolidating on the 200. We've literally been consolidating on the 200 on the 15-minute time frame. All right, hold on. Let me look at my session right quick. I want to love you, but it's so far. I'm gonna decide. All right. Yeah, it's just doing what it's supposed to do in the age of session, accumulating. I still see this displacing back lower though. Let me go to our higher time frame and run our fib. Yeah, the higher time frame, we're still below that 200. Yeah. Nice rejection up here. I like that displacement. I like the bearish engulfing. But it's still, we still kind of just teeter-totter in this range right here. Let's go to my weekly. Okay, this is a lot better fib right here. Okay. Okay, so if I'm realistically, if I'm running this on the weekly, that big pullback is not until 1.36, 1.35, 1.36. We rejected off the 200 on the daily. That high is still up there though. There we go. Good trades on gold. Need gold to just keep pulling back. Is there a way to check your win rate on Trade Locker? But last time I checked, I think I was like 56 or something like that. That's on my live account on my. I don't even know how to look at it on there. I need you back. No, I'm not. I'm Tessa. Scar, I appreciate your follow. Me, what's the word, Kels? So new south because on I still see this displacing lower. Now that's just Mark. The feature. We got this Bears FNG. We shot right out above it. Don't really like that, if especially because we're going to want to go short. Most definitely don't really like that. I will really have wanted it to like reject it, or not reject it but respect this FEG. Yeah, respected it, but I'm gonna keep looking some more. Okay, we created two of them, so it could just be one of those cases where it just did a deeper pullback. Yeah, rejected off. I still see this going place lower, and this was that. Okay, this was that counter her bouncing between these FEGs. Respected one, rejected off the next one, and ditch place back lower. Right up at the 113. Okay, okay, okay. Not your husband. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Alright, we just got a lot going on in GBP right here. Alrighty. We got this bullish order block here. Price shot right through it. We created this bearish order block up here. Price shot right through this bullish. Now we created it a bearish. Boom. When price shot through it, made it bearish. Price shot back through. Just place it back bullish. Yeah. Hold on. This is here. Boom. Price came up. Completed at the 0. Retrace break down to the 50%. Here. Shit. Price came down. Hold on. Boom, boom. Price came down to 0. Mm-mm-mm. I'm marking on the wrong chart. I would still want this GBP to pull back. Everything is still telling me this sell, but I do not like the way it's kind of just holding up right here. I don't like how I don't like how I respected this 202 on this daily as well. So everything is holding up. I mean, the 4-hour we're below it. Vacation was really fun. Well needed and fun. Emotional. Emotional fun. It was anything what I said to. Put away your pride, babe. You can figure it out. Right on for asking me to. Stay. I'm me, Steven. What's the word? Yeah, back to the grind. Sadly, I should have clocked in for work today. I'm like, bro, I don't like. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. Yeah, I'm already in some trades too. But I said, no, I'm not back in the eval yet. So no, I've been on my live account. No, that was previous day, high and low. Previous daily high and low. I do plan on doing an eval again too. But yeah, I've been live trading, taking profit. Swing traded, making profit. La profito. La profito. We're up $6 right now. That motherfucking gold trade hitting right now, boy. That gold trade hitting right now. I see that shit. Here go the gold trade smacking right now. I could log in on my computer. I don't feel like doing all that shit. But I guess I could. Hold on. The market just kind of just. It's not in. I hate when I say market just acting weird, but it's just in a spot right now. I got my trades in though. I still think this shorts. But it's just like the area that it's in right now. It's just kind of just teeter tottering. Here, let me go back to gold. I don't know. Sunshine, sunshine, yeah. I could feel the love right here. I could feel the love right here. I could be it right here. Sweeter than the sunlight. There we go. There we go. And this gold set up now. Order 1, order 2. I still see it. Yeah, I still see it pushing lower. That's okay. Nothing new. Sunshine, sunshine, yeah. That ain't my fault. I kind of see what I see already. Yeah, y'all. I don't see nothing different. Like I don't. I still see the same setup. This code, like, gold been annoying lately though. But I still see that pullback. Like I still see it. Bro said we got smart YNs now. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm still playing that short, bro. Yeah, this dropping back lower. I I see it. Even if I just took profit here at the zero, I would still see it dropping back down lower to that zero. Check out these equal lows here. Mm, 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 mm. And a lot of orders at the 32, 350. the word big? Alright, so yeah. Just gonna be letting those sit. Just keep analyzing and letting these plays sit. $15 minutes before this 4 hour. Yeah, I want to see where this 4 hour close out at to confirm. Yeah, well, we'll know in 15 minutes. I'm still liking these plays. Yeah. They go want to dip, bro. GBP just hanging around like it don't want to drop. I think GBP gonna fall, man. Check out all them highs. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to the restaurant right quick. This a gold, dude. I swear gold. Gold be annoying. I really just wanna wait to see what this 4 hour what price this 4 hour close at. She's talking, yeah, Miss Rana with my entourage. I got on my stomach, got a picture, yama. I sit back that acting on the act is like I'm trying to hide it. Where I go is a bag of shit. I'm trying to hide it. Shit, my baby. I'm too fucking grown to teach you how to ride it. Yeah, I'm not really seeing nothing else. Like honestly, like I'm in the Nas long. I'm in the gold short. I'm in the GBP. Only trade that kind of has me like okay, it can go both ways is a GBP. Like I'm seeing it can go both ways. But other than that, I'm not really. I'm not seeing much. I don't like this candle too. How we just closed. Just straight neutral. They saw me in the spring and with my entourage and shit. Ain't got on it. They could just create a bearish order block too. Yeah. I want this to go lower. Yeah, I'm trying to hide a deal, my baby. I'm too fucking grown to teach you how to ride it. Need a freaky college food for father again. Hey, I still see this going lower. He said, "Girl, I need something big." I want to see this 4 hour candle on this Nas. They got the show. Biggest boot that's fine, I think that's stay it all your way. I got the pen, son of shit. just a crime. Oh, it's just a love, baby crush. Oh, it's just a crime. Oh, it's just a love, baby crush. I'm looking at this 563. I want to see if we gonna close below it. I want us to close below it. I mean above it, because if we close above it, this give me a better bias. At least we're going to this 624 here. It's just a love, baby cry. Yeah, because right here at the 624, that would be that continuation lower for the short. So that would still be okay. Boom, right here I want to get out and probably switch my bias like down to the short. Boom. That's how I would be looking to play that. Well. I'm looking at Nas right now. I'm switching between Nas, Gold, and GBP, but right now I'm kind of just flipping in between. Like I'm already in some plays, so I really just been like rerunning levels and just watching it. And I'm just letting my trades play out while I'm just watching it. Oh, you're not gonna go. And now you all good, bro. There's so many different ways to make money in the market. Like, I'm still looking for a deeper pullback short on gold, but like, so I'm playing the short. But just because I might be playing the short doesn't mean you can't be playing the long at the same time. Like, there's so many different ways to like trade and make money. It all just depends on what you're looking for. I don't like this support on 350 though. We got some gold support on 350. Not really some support. We're getting some a little resistance here. on at 15 minute. Another day just never Okay, close out above on that Nas. So I'm still looking for that Nas to expand higher. For another day, just like extra, read all about it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to expand higher. And you can't get out of. Yeah, we just gonna be holding this Nas trade in. This gold be annoying. I'm still gonna let this gold. Hold on, this ain't gold. I'm still gonna let that gold trade just sit and just watch it. No, I'm not necessarily a supply demand trader, but I use it. Like, I use it in some ways, yeah. Wanna show you all the things I've been doing. Alright, I wanna show you the part and I'm broken I don't like the support on 350 for gold. But we're not really moving any higher. It's just in this big old order block here. That's all we doing. Just in his order block. Oh, this is a crazy wick right here. Dang, that's crazy. to still displays lower. I don't like the support, the little support that we're getting right here. But gold, the tricky thing about gold is like, yeah, we got these equal highs and lows here. But gold, like, I don't know, gold be weird sometimes. Like it doesn't, like sometimes it don't be paying off that AMD. Like once it moves until they get to that target. Like it doesn't really do like a lot of retracements or like a lot of really pullbacks. It kind of just runs. Like I still see it running lower. But the only thing that's got me stuck right here is how it's holding up. It's kind of holding up on this quarter here. Like we was closing out below it, but here, and we're about at 200. There we go, GBP. The GBP finally dropping. Yes, sir. Like like it's like one trade go green, the other one go red. The other one go green, the other one go red. It's like, come on now. I just need them all to turn into profit. Yellow bells ring. Yeah, they know swan. Haven't got that bigger pullback. But GBP, you gotta play that on a higher time frame. On a higher time frame on GBP, we got that bigger, deeper pullback. Yeah. Not bad. Now it's just creating these equal highs and lows. But that's typical though. I still would see gold doing that deeper retracement down. So if anything, I would want NASA. It would take out these lows, then displace back higher. Boom, boom. But I still see it coming back to this order bar. spots on GBP. I am 2 pennies in. Yeah. 2 pennies in, risking about $10 to make 50. 0.02. Yeah. So yeah, correct. Correct. This is our gold. Entry 1 and entry 2. GBP, entry 1, entry 2. Real hot. I'm a spot. Then on my NAS entry. Alright. That's what I got. That's what I got. It's like one thing go on profit, the next thing go red. Oh, it's like I just need both my orders to go on profit. I'll make it a job for you, so where the hell I've been. It's that 350 on gold that's holding it up. All right. I like the setups though. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. It lucky feel weird like coming back on live after a while. I mean, like it hasn't been that long, but it feel like it. Mm-mm-mm-mm. It could pull up to 33.58. Mm-hmm. I'm sure still gonna be playing that short. If anything, yeah, I could see it pulling back up into that order block. Yeah, if anything, I see it pull up somewhere in this order block. Yeah, I'm still gonna be playing that short. So, so I'll be gauging that kind of like I'm gauging Nas. Like if Nas still expanding, then I'll be looking for gold to still be short. Mm. Yeah, for real. Cause right now I'll just be dollar cost averaging in, but I'll just be watching them closely. Cause I know this week has been kind of weird. Not this week, but the end of last week, coming into this week. But yeah, just trying to watch out for news too. But I still like the plays I'm in. So even if we get like a little pullback, if we close under this, like what time frame I'm looking at? I'm looking at this 4 hour. If we can close back under this 350, I think that shit is out of there. That shit going down. I still think it pulled back lower. Like I don't like it can pull back. It can pull back up, back somewhere into this order block, but I still see it longing, not longing, but long term short. If anything, I'd be looking somewhere like this 380, 360, 380. But if we long all the way up there, then that shit can go all the way back up to the 4. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. the 261 now. At the 200 now. If this that manipulation, I really want it. Oh yeah. Alright, there's 271. I'm gonna be watching gold. Yeah. I'm gonna be watching gold and Nas close. I'm up 500 right now. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Oh man, they're working on painting lots, bro. I just want you looking for. For me, for me. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching everything closely, but I might be getting off for tonight. I might be getting off for tonight. Hold on. Man, so far so good. Live account's going good. Flipped the 50. So we still moving, still grinding. Yeah. It's time to get back focused. I want to go back on vacation, bro. Time to get back on the grind. I need to work through the framework too, because I want to start a mentorship soon too. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do 101s. I might just do like group session, but I don't know yet. I still need to figure that out. How I want to do that. You wouldn't have it any other way. If this gold pull back up, I'm gonna add another contract on. I'm gonna be watching that gold because if we pull back up, I'm adding another contract. I need to be watching Nas too. Thought I said a bit, but I know you frontin'. It's like it nasty. It's nothing to pass me. They hope you're happy. Yeah, red, green, red. I look for this to flip green. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I expect gold. I expect gold to short too. Green, red. Still expect that to short. Oh, miss you, but girl, I ain't judging. Oh, you sick of my shit? Yeah, this everything. Yep. I'm gonna let these plays sit. I like them. Just let price do what it do. Reevaluate it. I'm just gonna keep looking at them though, reevaluating them, seeing if I want to add more contracts. If gold pull back up into this order block, I'm gonna add another contract on. Then this Nas, I'm just gonna let play out. Just gonna let sit. If anything, if it do want to retrace down, I don't expect it going back lower past this wick here. If you want to be safer, you can put it below this low, but I don't expect it going lower. Yeah, we abutted FVG now. But yeah. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna be done for tonight. I'm just gonna let these just sit. These plays sit. And just gonna be watching them. Oh, you looking at Nas now. I've been switching between Nas and gold and GBP. I at least expect this to go back up into this order block. $689, $677. What's the word? I'm trading Nas, gold, and GBP. Nas long, letting his long play. I was in his gold. I was in his gold short. So, and I'm in a GBP short. Oh my goodness. Mm-mm. No, I'm on my live account. Mm-mm. I'll be back at another combine soon. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Anything. Hold on. There was. Think about love lust. And I can't really tell if you love me. That's a plan I should help me. And enough for the side. Alright. I think I'm done. Oh, I'll be back tomorrow night. No, you can still hit me. You can still text me. I'm just getting off live. Yeah, I'm still gonna be looking at my plays though. So yeah, you can still hit me. But yeah, if y'all need me, y'all know where to find me. I'll be back live tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just gonna let these little plays sit. Then shit, hopefully make this money. But alright, y'all, I appreciate y'all. But on me, Jazz. I'm about to hit you up now. But alright, y'all, peace, 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 peace.